My name is Nisha and I here would like to speaking. Your name is Mithu Shatra and your candidate number is 110570.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you ready for speaking?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Introduce yourself.
As I mentioned earlier, my full name is Mithush Savida and you can call me with my first name Mithush. And moreover, I would like to talk about my education. I have done my senior secondary education recently in non-medical field, and listening to music and playing with my dog are few avocations of mine whenever I get free leisure time. And I would also like to mention that rather than being a couch potato, I am an eager beaver person, so I love to do enthusiastic things which will be beneficial for me for my afterlife.
Okay. How much work do you do in a week?
The amount of work which I do in a week is not too much, but there are some family related work and some study related work which I do in a week.
Okay. Do you have to work on weekends as well?
No, as I'm a student, I don't work on weekends. It's just the study related work. If I have any assignments, so yes, I have to do those assignments on weekends.
Okay. Do you like the place where you work?
Actually, as I mentioned earlier, I don't work. I am a student, so I don't work.
Okay. What would it make your work more interesting?
Studies. So studies can be made more interesting with the introduction of many more spheres, such as the good things, and we always study the things which are being theoretical and not practical. So with the introduction of more practical knowledge, it would be more fun and beneficial for everybody.
Okay, I asked some questions related to your age. Okay?
Okay, sure.
Are you happy to be the age you are now?
Well, if I have to talk about my age, I'm very much happy about my age and what age I am, because this is the best age for achieving something in my life. The aims and goals can be set in this age and I can pursue them in my afterlife.
Okay. When you were a child, did you think a lot about your future?
I used to think a lot about my future. I wanted to become a pilot when I was a child, and that was my dream. And still I want to pursue that dream in my future career. So yes.
Okay. Do people change as they grow older?
With growing age, there is a physical change which is ubiquitous. And I would also like to mention that when we are growing age, the bones and everything becomes weak, and the person is not able to walk properly, and the brain functions also is reduced. So all in all, everything, it results in the decline of a person's moral values, and the socially interaction also it reduces.
Okay. Do you think you have changed as you have got older?
Well, I have not changed much as I'm becoming older, because I'm not so much older. I'm still in little bit in my childhood era, and I enjoy a lot the thing like playing with my friends and doing the recreational activities.
Okay. What will be different about your life in the future?
Well, as I mentioned earlier, I would love to become a pilot, and I hope so, if I become it, it will be the best life which I'll ever have, because I'll get to visit new places, and moreover, I will encounter with the new things and cultures of that country.
Okay. Is childhood the happiest time in a person's life?
Well, childhood is the best lifespan which a person can get, because in that age one person develops most of the progresses and he becomes a skilled person. Like for example, I would like to talk about one instance that my friend, he was very good in batting, and he developed few skills of that batting in his childhood age only, and now he is a very good cricketer and he is pursuing his career in that field.
Okay. Do you like sports?
Well, I love to do sports. As I mentioned earlier, I'm an eager beaver person, so I love to do recreational activities.
Okay. If you ever tried any dangerous sports in the future?
Well, I want to try paragliding a lot, and one time we visited to Manali and I was going to do that, but my parents forced me that we should not do it, and they left me in a lurch. I was nowhere, but in future time I would love to do it, but I will take all the precautions.
Okay. What are the most popular sports in your country?
The most popular sport is cricket, and the second one which we can say is kabaddi, which is the national sport, but most of the viewers tend to watch cricket more than kabaddi.
Okay, what are the difference between the cricket and kabaddi?
The basic difference between cricket and kabaddi is that kabaddi is played by players like when kabaddi is played, people they go to another team and they play with that person and they need to come back after touching that person. But in cricket, you have a bat and a ball. These are the equipments. But in kabaddi, there are no equipments.
Okay, and I give you your cue card topic. And your cue card is describe an occasion when you lost something, then got it back. You have to prepare a topic 1 minute. After 1 minute, you will be start. And your time is starts now. Start.
Losing anything is basically not my cup of tea, but I have gone through such instance when I have lost few things. Without beating around the bush, I would like to talk about one such instance when I lost very precious thing of mine, which was given by my big brother. So that's why it was very much precious to me. And that was my earphones, which my brother gifted me on my 18th birthday. He currently lives abroad, and he has sent me those headphones but with his first earnings ever in his life, and because of which it was the most important thing for me, and I had it with me for last 1 year. But recently we went to an amusement park. Over there I lost it. I didn't know that when it fell down off my pocket, and I asked everybody that please tell me where is it, if somebody saw it or not, but everybody left me in lurch. Eventually there was nothing I could do, and I didn't even knew that where it is. So after that our family, they wanted to go to have food in a restaurant. So we basically went to the restaurant, and the food there was very much palatable, but I couldn't enjoy it because all my mind was diverted towards my headphones, which I needed to find. So I recreated the path which I went to when we went to the amusement park. Like firstly we went to the one ride, so I visited there, then I visited the another ride. Eventually I found it on the third ride, and I was on the cloud 9 when I found it, because I was so happy that I found it. But I would like to talk about the time when I lost it. The time when I lost it, I was so much devastated, so much sad, and the feelings of me I could not explain to anybody. Everything was shattered for me, because my brother, he was the only one whom I love the most, and he has done a lot for me. So all in all, I would like to say that the headphones which I lost, they were not the cost was not important to me, but the feelings through which my brother has given me was the foremost important for me, because of which I was devastated. But eventually when I got it, I was so much happy, and I could not explain my happiness to anybody.
Okay, I asked some follow-up questions related to your topic. Why do people always forget things?
Well, forgetting is very much common in today's scenario as we look, because people, they are very much busy, they have very much busy schedule. So because of that, many things can be left behind, like something can be left in lunch.
Okay, how can people avoid forgetting things?
Avoiding this kind of circumstance is not very much preferable, but one can do some things to avoid this, such as they can see their things wherever they put it, and they can keep a diary or remark of their important things wherever they're keeping it or wherever they're taking it.
Okay, what is the best action to take if you find something or lost something?
The best action which anyone can take if they find something lost is to take it to the police or to the nearby person who is responsible in such activities, who is related to social events.
Okay, in your modern world, people tend to forget their culture. What are the reasons for that?
The very first reason is technology and the lifestyle. In my country, many children are imitated to live alone, because of which they lag behind the traditional regions and traditional offerings which their parents need to do.
Okay, why do people lose things?
Well, losing thing, as I mentioned earlier, is because they are very busy in their schedule. So because of this, they may leave some things in hurry.
Okay, which things do people usually lose?
There are only little bit things which a person can lose, because big things are always in front of our eyes, but small things, they can be lost easily, such as earrings, headphones, bangle, a ring, or a watch.
Okay, how can people better remember things?
For the remembering thing, they can make their mind sharp, or as I have told earlier, that they can make notes in their notebook or in their phone.
Okay, thank you, Mitush.
Thank you so much.
Have a nice day.
You too. Thank you.